All right, so today we have a really interesting machine here that I'm going to unbox. It's been a long time since I had a new computer. I shopped high and low. I looked at lots of different models, and I was about to pull the trigger on an MSI GS65, but then I saw this come out, and this apparently is the first time it will be released in the world. I live in China, and I'm lucky enough to be the first person to have one of these machines. I looked for a lot online for reviews and for any information. I couldn't find anything, so I thought let's do an unboxing video and let's see what's going on here. So let's open it up and see what it looks like in here. Okay, so we broke the seal here. Now let's see what's on the inside. Okay, so we have a nice little package here. Got a little microfiber cloth. And let's see what this baby looks like. Okay. So yeah, we have this really nice sort of midnight blue color. Blue is really sort of my thing. So I'm glad that this color looks as good as it does in real life, as it does on the pictures. Here on the bottom, we got lots of vents here for the cooling system. They have a lot of words to say about the cooling system. It's very advanced. I mean, every company says they're very advanced, but who knows how good it is. I'll be making some benchmark videos. I'll be doing some more tests to see how good it actually is. Will there be any throttling? So far, so good. On the back side, you can see we got a lot of vents here. They got like a little bit of design element going on here. And again, we'll see how well that works out once we actually put it to the test. On the side here, we got some USB ports. 2.0, not as good as the 3.0, but you know, good enough for a mouse, good enough for some peripherals. Here we got a full-size smart card reader, a Kensington lock. On this side, we have an RJ45, power cable, HDMI, USB 3.1, and a USB-C. Unfortunately, it is not Thunderbolt 3, but I gave that up in my search, and that's why this model sort of popped up on my radar. And here we have a combo jack. So let's take a look at what this looks like on the inside. Okay. So we got another microfiber cloth here. Okay, so one of the big reasons why I was excited about this model was because this has a 120 Hertz Full HD screen. Now, most of the time when you see a model like this, it has a Core i7, it has a GeForce GTX 1650 GPU, and that's a pretty common combination. You see that a lot, but you don't really see it so much on these sort of creator style laptops. Now you see it a lot in gaming laptops, especially i5 9300H with 1650 or 1660 Ti. Those are very common, but they're a little bit too garish, right? They scream out that I'm a gamer, and that doesn't really work out if you're trying to do stuff in an office or if you're in a professional meeting. So this here has a good graphics card, a good processor, and it has the 120 Hertz screen. Like I said, I'll be doing some more tests to figure out what is the gamut going to be like, what are the viewing angles. I believe this is an IPS panel. We'll double check that. So here, another reason why I really like this computer is it has a numpad here. It's not a full-size one, but you know, good enough to type in some numbers, do some good Excel work. And then here we have a fingerprint reader. So again, it's not a very common thing for a gaming laptop, but for a productivity machine, this thing should do some really good work. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. Like I said, if you like what you see here, if you want to know more about this computer, I will be putting up some benchmarks, and we're going to see what can this thing really do. So yeah, if you like what you saw, then please like the video or hit the subscribe button and leave some comments. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I'd like to test it for you. I'd like to figure out what people want to know, and there'll be more videos to come. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.